Is she going to put some clips of Mummy's here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ow! I need my eyes.
What is it?
Yeah.
It's my new toy.
Clips in.
I made it. Can you guess what it is?
Can Mummy show you?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
Put the Mummy's here.
It's my swingy, wingy, bally, catching toy. Yes, I did it.
Ah.
Well done, Laura. That's
Mummy show you.
Yeah.
thank you. My new toy is so much
Ah.
fun. I'm going to show everyone.
And
for you,
clip.
Laura.
See?
Have fun.
Where's the other one?
It's my new toy, Zebby. Can
And
you guess what it is? Is it a telescope?
There you go.
I know. It's a twirly stick.
Ah.
Good guess, Zebby. But no.
Did you do it?
No.
Oh.
It's a swingy, wingy, bally,
Ow!
catching toy.
Play.
Yeah, oopsies.
Oh.
Ow!
See?
Play.
That's clever. But are you sure it's not a twirly stick? I'm very sure. Come on, let's show someone else. My new toy is so much fun. Let's go and show everyone.
Play.
Rara, wait for me.
Play.
Push it down on there.
It's my new toy, Crockett.
Oh.
Can you guess
You
what
do it?
I
No.
No! What
It's a
did?
wishy fishing rod. Good guess, but no.
Hang on, let me show you first.
Swingy, wingy, bally, catching toy.
Click it. There you go.
See? I guessed it was a twirly whirly stick. Are you sure it's not a swishy wishy fishing rod? I'm sure. Come on. My new toy is so much fun. Let's go and show
Okay, push it in.
Yeah.
Wait for us, Rara.
Push it on there.
Yeah.
Pretty!
Play.
Oh, do I have to have the glasses to go with it?
No.
It's my new
Ah.
toy.